What's up, guys? So today we're putting a new bushing in our differential. I've got Powerflex Black Series bushing to put in here, and I've already gone ahead and rebuilt the diff. Basically just stripped off all the old rust.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
So, I went ahead and rebuilt my differential. Basically just stripped all the old rust off, painted it, clear coated it, and put new gasket material in here. I used something called Mega Blue. It's a gasket maker. Just thought maybe it would be better. Went ahead and put new bolts all around, new plugs. I wasn't able to get these bolts, so we'll do that later. But today we're just focusing on the bushing. Now I've kept everything taped up since I painted it so that it wouldn't rust. We'll go ahead and remove that. Now this is going to be pretty straightforward. The Powerflex bushing comes in two halves. Basically we'll just put those in, washer on each side, sleeve in the middle, and I've got this liquid moly anti-seize compound just to keep everything from seizing and from squeaking. So let's get to it. We're going to put some anti-seize in the entire ring here. Just line that real good. And then we'll do the same here. Make sure to get it on the lip. Basically you want the anti-seize compound anywhere where the bushing is going to be touching the metal or the other bushing. Press that into place. And then we'll start on the other one. So it's completely covered in the anti-seize, ready to be put on the diff. And we're just going to place that in the back side, right here. A little anti-seize on the tube here, and pop that in place. That's it. Alright, so that's it. So the last thing to do would be to put anti-seize on the washers, put the washers on here, mount it to the car with a bolt. But we're not doing that yet. So we're going to save these until we're ready to put this thing on the car. But that's it. You can see it's a pretty simple job. Really only took me a few minutes. Hardest thing is getting the sleeve in. Just use some force and make sure you're pushing straight. Anyway, that's it. Powerflex Black Series bushings in my differential. Thank you to e30 Parts for sponsoring this vlog and helping us out with these Powerflex bushings. Next we're going to do the rear subframe and the rear trailing arms, and then we're going to get all this stuff put together and back on the car. Alright, so stay tuned for more videos. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you soon.